Welcome back, everyone, for episode 2 of Builtop Talks. We're going to be diving into something pretty fascinating today.
Yeah,
I'm really excited to talk about this.
me too.
So, if you're involved in construction in any way, you know that Saudi Arabia is undergoing like this massive construction boom right now.
Absolutely.
It's really incredible, the sheer scale of the projects that are happening over there.
Yeah, it's driven by Vision 2030.
Yeah, exactly. And that's leading to just rapid urbanization.
Yeah.
And, with all that comes a ton of demand for construction materials.
Huge demand, yeah.
But, and this is where things get interesting, right? Getting those materials reliably, dealing with price fluctuations, all those headaches.
Oh, yeah, those are some of the biggest challenges that contractors face.
Exactly. So that's what we're going to be exploring today, the challenges of procurement in Saudi Arabia's construction market. And more importantly, we're going to talk about how Builtop is stepping up to address those challenges.
Yeah, I think what they're doing is really game-changing.
So for those who may not be familiar, Builtop is a platform that connects contractors with reliable suppliers in Saudi Arabia.
Right.
But it's so much more than just a directory. I mean, they're really harnessing AI in a way that I haven't seen anywhere else.
It's very impressive.
So let's start with maybe the most pressing issue, right? Cost estimation. Like, how does Builtop even begin to tackle that with AI?
Well, so you see traditional methods of cost estimation, they tend to be, well, they can be pretty inaccurate, right? They rely on historical data and guesswork.
Yeah, lots of guesswork for sure.
But Builtop's AI goes way beyond that. It actually analyzes a huge amount of data in real time. We're talking about historical pricing trends, market dynamics, supplier inventory levels,
Wow.
even external factors like weather patterns and global supply chain disruptions. And it uses all this information to generate incredibly accurate cost projections.
So it's like it can predict the future almost.
In a way, yes. It gives contractors a much clearer picture of what to expect.
Right, and that means you can bid on projects with so much more confidence. You're not going to be hit with like a bunch of unexpected costs down the line.
Exactly. It really takes the guesswork out of it.
And another thing that I found super cool is their public tendering platform.
Right.
So how is AI used there to, make sure that contractors are finding the right suppliers?
So think of it as this intelligent matchmaking system. You input your project requirements, location, materials, budget, and the AI goes to work. It sifts through Builtop's network of verified suppliers and matches you with the ones who are the best fit for your specific needs.
So it's not just about like who's the cheapest,
Yeah.
right? It's about finding the supplier who's like the most reliable, who has the right materials, who can actually deliver on time.
Exactly. It prioritizes quality and reliability.
Which is so important in construction because any delays can just
Throw everything off, yeah.
throw everything off. Yeah, and then the whole project gets pushed back, costs go up. It's a nightmare.
Yeah.
So this whole focus on, matching the right people is fantastic, but I'm also
Totally.
curious about the actual day-to-day process of using Builtop. Like, how does it streamline things for contractors?
Well, think about the traditional way of sourcing materials. You'd have to call up a bunch of suppliers,
Yeah, emails back and forth.
Right, emails back and forth, wait for quotes. It could take weeks.
Oh yeah, easily.
But with Builtop, you can submit an RFQ, a request for quotation in just a few clicks, and then the platform automatically distributes it to relevant suppliers.
Wow.
You'll start getting responses almost instantly. It's a massive time saver.
So no more chasing people down, trying to get them on the phone.
Exactly. It eliminates all that back and forth and speeds up the whole procurement process.
That sounds pretty incredible.
Yeah, and then there's another feature that I think is worth highlighting, their buyer assistant.
Okay, tell me about that one.
So, in construction, trust is everything. You need to know that you're dealing with reliable suppliers, that you're going to get what you paid for, and that the deliveries will be on time.
Right.
So Builtop's buyer assistant basically acts as like a safeguard. It ensures secure transactions, manages the logistics, and guarantees on-time deliveries.
Oh, wow. So it takes all that risk out of the equation.
Exactly. It gives contractors peace of mind knowing that their materials are in good hands.
So we've talked a lot about how Builtop is solving these problems for contractors in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
But I think the bigger question is, what does this mean for the future of construction? Because this sort of technology, these AI-driven solutions, become the new normal, not just in the kingdom, but globally.
I definitely think it has the potential. The construction industry has been slow to adopt technology.
Yeah, it's kind of notorious for that.
But Builtop is showing what's possible. Imagine a world where construction projects are managed with, unprecedented transparency, efficiency, collaboration.
Like everything just running smoothly.
Exactly, and all powered by AI.
So it's like it's not just about making things easier for contractors. It's about like transforming the entire industry.
Right.
That's really exciting.
It is.
So we've covered a lot of ground today, explored some really cool tech, and I think it's safe to say that Builtop is doing some pretty amazing things in the world of construction.
Absolutely.
We'll be back next time for another deep dive into the world of construction innovation. But until then, think about this. If a platform can make procuring construction materials as easy as ordering something online, what other aspects of the industry could be revolutionized by technology? See you next time.